children, how are you all? I hope all are well. So children, in the previous video we studied about the addition of one digit and a two digit numbers without carry over, and addition of two digit numbers without carry over. Okay, and today we are going to start addition of 3 or 2 digit numbers without carry over. Okay, so you have to do in your maths book itself. So all of you take out your maths book and do the exercise with me. This is your exercise on page number 48. On page number 48. Okay, so let's do the exercise. See, this is your exercise on page number 48. The first one is, what you have to do? First method, add the ones together. Add the ones together, and the answer which you get, you have to write in the fill in the blanks. Okay, so add ones together. First one is 1, then 5. 1, 5, 6. Then add 2 more, 6, 7, 8. So here we are getting 8. Then you have to add tens together. So add it first. 1, 1, 2. Then 2 plus 2, 4. That is, we are getting here 48. See, the next one, 0 plus 5 plus 4. 0 plus 5 plus 4, that means 0 means nothing. 5 plus 4, 9. Okay, and add tens together. 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4. That means we are getting here 49. Next one is 105. So you have to add ones together. 1 0 1 0, that means only 1. Then 5, 1 plus 5, 6. Tens, 3 plus 1, 4 plus 4 plus 4, 5. So here we are getting 56. 56. Okay, now the next, see, 2 0 0, that means 0 means nothing, so we write here 2 only. Okay, tens, 2 plus 3, 5. Then add 2, 5 plus 2, 7. Here we are getting 72. Next one, 0 2 1. 0 means nothing. 2 plus 1, 3. 4 plus 2, 5, 6. Then plus 2, 7, 8. So here we are getting 83. Next one is 0 0 1. That means 0 0 means nothing. You have to write here only 1. Then tens, 7 plus 1, 8. Then 8 plus 1, 9. Okay. Rest all this on page number 49. You have, this is your homework. Rest all exercises are homework on page number 49. This is your homework. You have to complete in your book itself. Okay. Now we are going to start the next topic, that is addition of a one digit and a two digit number with carryover. In this we are going to start with carryover. We have to add the numbers with carryover. Okay, so let's see the exercise how we have to do. See, our next topic is addition of a one digit and a two digit number with carryover. Okay, with carryover. So see the example here. First one is 9 plus 3. Add it fast. 9 plus 3 together makes it 12. 12 and 5 only 5. So here we do not write 12. Here this number will go at the tens. So at the tens, and here we write carry over 1, and only here we write only 2. Okay, so all together and add both of them. 5 plus 1 6. Okay, like this we are adding. This 1 is carry over with 5. So let's do some exercise to make you more understand. See the first one, 5 plus 8. 5 plus 8 13. So here we write 3 only, and 1 will go on the top of 2. Okay, and then we add both of them. 2 plus 1 3. Okay, here we are getting 33. See the next one, 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5 12. So here we write only 2, and the 1 will go on the top of 9, and we add both of them. So 9 plus 1 10. Okay, if the 100 is there, then 1 will go on the top of hundreds number. Okay, now the next one is 7 plus 4. 7 plus 4 11. Only we write 1, and another 1 goes on the top of 6. So 6 plus 1 7. Now the next one is 6 plus 9. 6 plus 9 15. So here we write 5, and 1 is go on the top of 8. Then we add both of them. 8 plus 1 9. Okay, now the next 3 plus 8. 3 plus 8, that means 11. 11 1 is 1 we write here, and 1 will go on the top of 4. So 4 plus 1 5. Now the next one is 7 plus 6. 7 plus 6 13. Here we write 3, and 1 will go on the top of 9. 9 plus 1 10. Okay, now the next one, 6 plus 5. 6 plus 5 11. 1 we will write here, and 1 will go on the top of 1. That means 1 plus 1 2. Okay, I have done till here. Rest you have to do in your maths book. Okay, on page number 51. This is your homework. So your today's homework are on page number 51. This one, these 2 lines you have to do, and on page number 49, this whole page is your homework. You have to do in your maths book. Okay, so that's all for today. We will discuss the next topic in the next video.